Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am here with the Glossybox January 2022. I am happy to receive this box. I did subscribe, so let's go. So here are some of the goodies inside. I am going to go through them one by one just to talk a little bit about them. So this one here is a Dr. Botanical cleansing bar, cocoa butter, coca and coconut superfood facial cleansing bar. So this is really good to have, and you lather it up in a bath or shower. Using with your hands, rinse thoroughly. So yeah, I'm glad I have this. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm happy that I'm going to be trying this soon. So yes, I'm glad this is in the box, and I think this is the actual size, so 100 grams. Again, amazing product to have in a beauty box. So this here is a lip dew. It's a tinted lip balm, an ultra moisturizing lip balm that helps soothe and smooth dry lips. So directions, it says here, apply moisturizing lip balm as needed, can be used day and night. So this, I am super happy this is in here. I have used this brand before, many of their products, especially like their serum and stuff like that. So this is a vitamin A booster blue K for smoothing, firming, tightening and brightening. So this is a 60 ml. I think this is their average size because my previous sizes that I had of this were that. And you do get a lot, and a lot goes a long way. I have used this mask already because I was so happy to get it. So this here is Gel Rehab by Nails Inc. London. Obviously it's for damaged nails and recovery. So basically just a treatment for your nails you apply. I would say maybe apply it every couple of days. I would say for myself personally, when I'm doing a treatment, I do like to top it up. Some people just put on the treatment and leave it for maybe a week. But yeah, I'm glad this is on here. And this is a brightening body milk. So I am happy I got this in here actually. I have never heard of this brand. I have never used this brand. So I am glad it's in here. So it provides brightness, moisturizes and nourishes the skin with vitamin C and orange extract. And it's 200 ml, so I'm guessing this is like a full size. So guys, that is a quick video on the Glossybox January 2022. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next video. See ya.